Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Going for an arrest warrant is that you must demonstrate on the face of an affidavit, say, it had become so necessary that you need a warrant in order to effect the arrest of a subject. What you say? Na adakabre no credit bakope. Anwa at the interrogation way, I personally required say the police should fashion or like they should furnish me with a copy of the said arrest warrants. And if you look at the date on it, 24th December 2019. Adakabre, at this 24th, if that's the day Omokoji this arrest warrants now. And you see, if you look at the conduct of the police in all of this as Adakabre, they usually will go to the district court quietly, expertly, Omokoji, at your blind side. What you say? Look, as at 23rd of December, that was Monday, we had filed an application at the Human Rights Court. Among the reliefs we were seeking included something to restrain the police in going ahead with what they want to do. What you say? Now, we made sure that the entire process was served on the Attorney General together with the IGP. Thankfully, today we have an IGP who is a lawyer. We have Director CID, Mr. Kenyebua, who is also a lawyer. So these are very senior lawyers as that. What do I say? We cause these processes to be served on you. I personally ensure that the processes were served on you until I saw the proof of service of these processes on the Attorney General and the Inspector General of Police. On the 24th, I followed up with another letter, which I hand-delivered. Okay, Adakabre, I hand-delivered these letters to the head of cybercrime. Hello? Which I personally hand-delivered to the head of cybercrime, where one senior officer, Gustav Janssen. And so, Besako Menim Krasako, Deputy Director CID, Nana Cheneboa, Sasraku, Dinjobwa Sehonum, I was a Deputy Director CID. Mianka Same Konoho, Emma Meneno Kraku Din Kombo, in the company of Adawudu. Emma Yakasa Kraba, chieftaincy matters, and what have you. Head of cybercrime crash them so. Onono at the back command is superiors into the babyano. Obema Maswaya den at the courtesy I show So as at that 24th, 23rd, me in the company of Sammy, no meaning, no white car, and I was following him. You do CID headquarters. And I my assorti as you. And ya dear, you meet no better a bebasubio. Hello.
You go suit you palo.
Aha. And me basubio. Apparently that was the same day anana ebabe give me some Chinese government cars via Omode Adonetiama Ghana police. It is sad and the president was there to deliver way. Into Omokazu way. Into Samekra Kaisu. Oh, yeah, yedi and one bay in a way. So already there had been some demonstrable, like we've demonstrated a certain commitment to comply with your invitation. What I say? Only for you to go for a bench warrant the next day. At 24th. And letter, you gave me the assurance that you are taking it to your legal department and that you get back to me. What I say? When me and Show say within that period.
Are you referring to an absconding warrant, and now you are referring specifically to a bench warrant? Given say
court to normal bench warrant.
The court to bench and Nana Sammy Gyamfi no knowledge of it. one kuntia judge no found it necessary so be use warrant.
I don't even want to go. And you see, what they do is that they'll just go quietly to a district court. So what I say, a district court, ex-party, normal court. You see, Adakabre, and normally be
okay. I feel me here. A dear specific charge and answer complaint.
No, even here, Crown Adakabre, I say at the interrogation room. Me cry there, Sabet, na me of course of
the Yampesi Tia Seminase, Yampesi Tia Seminase, what Tia Senti, Yen Shas, Yen Tia Sen. A dear complaint, a dear and no, Edison Pacho, a dear complaint, and a Sammy Gyamfi PA police headquarters on the 23rd of December 2019.
American say, you honor police forecast say, Yembra with our phone records. Now, Mark those orders. Into 23rd, year file application human rights courts in respect of this and the nature of the orders now broad. But like you rightly asked, no, the Eddie Science and when you know Eddie Abenina and they say your in a police phone a buy so based on the invitation, right? And I could do one in the besides so any based on the arrest warrant from the after the program on UTV. Okay, say maybe by na a church from a church. So we are not surprised in terms of the conduct of the government relative to some of these matters. I'm glad. Into Ekobas I call interrogation room. The first thing I personally even asked that who is the complainant? So the executive secretary to the president, okay, Nana Santi Bedie too, in the complaint about.
And what was the nature of the complaint?
Or say forgery and publication of false information with the intent to cause fear and panic. I mean those section 208 related offenses.
What he complained of no. Yeah, the chairman said these are the faithful words. These are the publication.
In fact, one of the issues that I ever asked is that if you make a specific allegation against me, say I have forged a document. At least all kind of Bible practice say Emrana Pharisee for you. They are inquiry to Christ. They call before opening Pontius Pilate or crowd. Wanka embrebako anka so obunaten obisa farasi for say anapapa den na mo so wae omso on na no ka so on ne
oh eduzi
pension bra na men romensa no ye ne nsa eyeden efim so na edin so mo de documents ya forge no or memoir must ya forge no mo de betray then we can take it out from there.
Okay, nti yemfa de ma forge ne nkyere mo no warrant judge no kan edema process for say yemfa mekere Sammy Gyamfi no warrant no e disclose asem a judge no say e be ka kire ne nti a or finding it necessary say yanko kire citizen emra
adakabre sometimes no won't mean can be brave adakabre because I would say application of this nature, even if it's ex-parte, there must be a supporting affidavit. So I wouldn't say. Now, and your money be a yasafem to me.
You are saying, say, a judge or Jinamuma Ghana, proceed for 8 me echo, say, all my crying young citizen, but judge, no,
sometimes, yeah, and your man. And breaking ad hominem. You can't say ad hominem. What shall so? Oh, why has some near the abbey? So, oh, I do Tamaklo. Science DC boy, no, sir. Okay, Yabeche. Oh, Adakabre. Oh, Yabeche. Adiana, in the context, say,
Eduzi. Another time, I know the political side of it, but now we want to be legal and factual and specific.
No.
I'm speaking to you being a lawyer. There are so many lawyers that they hover around it. Our personal logic and knowledge of it, and you have instructions to conduct this matter for Sammy Gyamfi. Are you saying, say, a judge, Ghana, was not properly told as to basis in tia oma order tia nkonkochire Sammy Gyamfi ana
adakabre me no kra ka say another thing kra esie ene they are me no ka say yo adakabre today circuit court 4 eno aye ne police for ekoye magie 4 na ene quickly, Marco, Circuit Court 4. The Circuit Court judge Emma mo order to assess Sammy Gyamfi ni phone records. And no yao. Adakabre.
Omudi kaji phone answer.
But you say.
Omudi kaji phone answer no subsequently omo kope order say
and this morning before Justice Sando no more ne ho expertise. Judge Nankasa scrutinize processes no and affidavit. No say but you have already taken the person's phone. Say yes. No say if you have already done it, why are you coming? Why are you now coming? And you refuse the application. And then I'm no say. Adakabe today I'm no say. Expertise. Second court 4.
And to patch expert no actually say ya mama mane
omunkwana beko. And then I'm no say. Second court 4. My lord, share idea no say dabi. I say mo shopping for courts.
I know the another time no can answer. It now.
No. I mean this is something that happened. You know the court sitting open. Very contrived.
And I'm just you can be say we are lawyer no can law na some political side you be my chance now I comment why you comment now and circumstances or the Sammy Gyamfi phone willingly and Sammy the phone my police and as under duress
that be into Osha statement now we made it very clear to the police that in fact no more make it part of the bail condition the fact that I just said omonya phone. And so, the first statement as Sammy Echoy, which I countersigned by him, okay, we had to do another one, more or less like a supplementary statement right there, saying, phone the mom. We are doing so based on the intimidation from them. And it's there.
That is without prejudice to the rights.
Exactly. We wanted it to be clear. Said doing so, so that it's now they cannot now go to court and say my lord, the human rights application, the very essence of it, he had already done it, so there's no need of it. We want it to be on record, say, whatever it is that we had to do it under A, B, C, D conditions. And that's what happened.
Your phone, you name the atu phone, except to note this today, say. Omako court without reference to you. Say ka judge no more access information on the phone.
Yes, and Secret Court 4.
Tell me phone ma omo indicate omo next course of action number.
Yabi just after they asked the 2 sureties, we provided the 2 sureties at the cabaret. And then they signed a bail bond. They never indicated anything. In fact, we've not been charged. It was a caution. What did I say? It was a caution statement at the cabaret.
In all this, na omuko ye na de mo hunu say yaje phone unwillingly ma hand ya ma na step a o ma taking you know. Advice be na de ma o client no.
Share the main share of phones or ways so and chamber casa and the casa or chamber. But in all of this, the Debbie American say, you see, there's no one that is born with the name suspects or accused written on his forehead. Adakabre. Nti oye bibia ebe enhance the rule of law, the respect for the rights of people. There be an no wahwe wa say echna de meye kwadwoyi de meye duji se ye mi bia ebe me de ana. What I say, so that echna no, if the same thing is visited on you, and you see, I keep telling my friends on the other side. So you see, as for law, hello, Adakabre.
You meet by law.
What can I say? Slavery was at the time permissible by law. So, So as for law, you can use law to justify anything in this world.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? But what you always must have at the back of your mind is a good conscience. I don't have a problem if the executive secretary to the president instructs you, go and do this. This is my complaint. Do A, B, C, D. The executive secretary is executive secretary today by reason of political power, executive power. Without it, he's just like you and I. And so when it becomes obvious in this case, A, B, C, D is what has happened, it sends a certain signal. It sends a certain negative signal. And we have told the police, we have nothing to hide. Right from the beginning, we've had a very good rapport with the police. In fact, beside the CID boss in charge of cybercrime, he will tell you phone conversations and what have you. Makrame Choice, a day to Xmas, I was personally in his office.
Okay. I do see. My young fancy, I say, nah, yen defect you. Yet was a pa.
Utie oha exi punk no. Needs FM.